I love keyboard shortcuts, and I love Google Forms. So using keyboard shortcuts in Google Forms saves me a lot of time. Now you can normally add a question to a Google form using the toolbar on the side and clicking the plus icon. But there is a faster way, so let's take a look. So the keyboard shortcut to add a question is Control-Shift-Enter. Now it is a little tricky, so I'm going to show you how to do that, but you want to make sure you've selected the whole question, the little section, and you're going to do Control-Shift-Enter. It's going to add that new question. And once you get this to muscle memory, it goes so much faster to make a Google form. Now, of course, here we are in a Google form. And you'll notice that I have this section that contains the question. And to the right is the toolbar, which will allow me to add another question. Now you can see which question section is illuminated by this blue bar on the side. Now notice here where I've got the first name is highlighted, or down here in question where that cursor is. This is going to be a challenge because in order to add a new question with the keyboard shortcut, you actually need to select the section. So notice that the cursor is not in the text. I'm going to come up here and do question 1, and you see that cursor is right in there with first name. That's a problem. I want to click so that the section is highlighted. So now notice that first name, the actual text is not selected. So we're going to use Control-Shift-Enter. I'm going to click, again, making sure that the section is highlighted, Control-Shift-Enter. You see it adds a new question. I'm going to come up here to the first one. Now I actually clicked twice because I want to make sure that I'm not selecting the text, but rather the section that contains the text. Control-Shift-Enter puts a question right below it.